Hey YouTube family, what's going on? I'm back with another video. This is going to be wig review coming from Sam's Beauty. This is a Stylist Swiss lace silk top unit. Y'all will see in the video. I like this hair. She just needs to go on a mannequin inside out so I can get that part trained to where I want it. Yeah, and I may even go in and just trim a few baby hairs in the front to make it more realistic. Not even baby hairs, just little hairs because the lace is good. You can't even see it, but I just don't want it to look, kind of wiggy in the front. Yeah, but I like this. And to be honest, if I had been thinking, I would have just combed down some of my own little baby hairs and put some of that what is that stuff? That stringings that makes them look thicker, and left my own baby hairs out because this is some real natural looking human hair. Anyway, if you guys want to see the videos, the specs, the ins and out of this curly bob, again by Stylist, and I did get this unit from Sam's Beauty for review. If I didn't say that, guys. Alright, stay tuned, keep on watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Okay guys, this is what the unit looks like in the package. It's a Stylist Swiss lace silk top lace wig. This color I have. What shade? What color is this? This. Oh wow, curly bob. I got a 1B. I thought I had got. No, I didn't, because I wanted to be able to wear this to work, so I didn't add any outrageous. Looks good at home or when you're out doing things, but not really doing business. You don't need all that pink and purple. But anyway, it's got a 4x4 lace parting in the top. So let's see what she's looking like. Straight out the package. Okay. Oh yeah, this is gonna be perfect for work hair. Just cut off. Alright, what do we have inside? Okay, there's the 4x4 silky like lace parting. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, probably could hide that with some concealer, but I'm sure I'm gonna just cut that right out so I can get straight to the lace and my cap can shine through. And then there's 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and yeah. Alright, see, I'm getting lucky with all this summer hair. But yeah, I don't think that part, yeah, I'd rather for my cap to show through because the lace for my skin tone is just a little bit too dark. I need it to be a little bit more vibrant. That brown is a little too dark, so I'm just going to cut that right out. I'll be right back. Let me get the lace cut off and cut that cap out, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I got the lace cut off, and I got that little section of the silk base cut off. That's what it looks like. It's just, against my skin, it doesn't make a good scalp for me. So I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses mineral powder, and I'm going to just put that on the inside of the cap just to make my parting space look lighter. See? I'm just brushing it in there. Now, for somebody with a little bit darker skin tone, I think that would work. And not like I'm all that light either, I'm just saying. I want mine to stand out a little bit more, and I really would rather just have my lace out. Let's pop this girl on. See what her looking like. I already like the cut, and I already know that. And I do want a side part. very, very, very work appropriate. You see that part? And now I can make that part whatever I wanted. Well, I could have did that at first, but I just needed it to be a little more. I'm trying to do this without a comb. Let me get a comb. I'll be right back. Let me grab a comb. Get the mirror closer to me. I think I know I want a side part. There. I wish I had gelled my own baby hairs down, because this unit is perfect. Perfect to be rocked, just like that. Because it's some nappy. I don't want to say nappy, it just looks like some permed African American hair. That's what I mean. It has the texture of permed hair. About right there. That's why I want that part. Look that part. That's good. Real natural looking. And I gelled my hair back, so I really can't. I don't need this. I just wanted to try to train this hair. I don't need the spritz to hold it down because it's pretty snug. I'm just trying to train it part without putting any heat on it. I'm sure I could, if I'm not mistaken. It is curling iron safe. It is curling iron safe. It doesn't even say a temperature, it just says it's curling iron safe. It's some real soft hair too. Stylist has some really good units. Let me turn around so I can see that. Okay, I like this. I know somebody wants to see what she'll look like with some baby hairs. I just can't help it. Because I know if I was watching this video, I know what I would want to see. What if I could even put some, I don't want to cut this hair, y'all. I just don't want to. Let's see if I can just make some, or make this hair lay this way. This hair don't have to be trained. Yeah, that works. I really like it better like this. Okay guys, I'm done fooling with this hair. This is gonna be my hair for today and for work on Monday. It's just a nice light summer hair. This is the second unit, the greenish looking unit I got from Stylist. That was the one that I reviewed with the color. Looked like greenish, bluish, real pretty, same company, same soft hair. I'm gonna put this unit on a mannequin head and train that part because I really like this. I really like this hair. Even if I took the part out and just left a small part, I like it. I like it. It just needs to be trained to the style that I like and out of the box. Okay guys, that's it. That's in this video. Sorry I played in this hair so long. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.